For our wonderful ongoing ukulele workshop and jam. We are working on Secret Love. God, with lots of chords we have, as Deb would say, imposed on this song. Yes, we're up to 20 chords that we've imposed on Secret Love. And we're just going to concentrate on the bridge right now. I've got, we're just at 80 beats per minute, nice little Latin beat. So before we do this, let's just go through the chords together. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, A9, and then that little D form, because we're staying up here in the neighborhood. So we discussed how we find that minor 7 chord form. We want to find the root. And the root note, which tells us the name of the chord, is on the A string. So this is an E note here. We're building an E minor 7 chord on it. And then we take our index finger, move it 1 fret towards the headstock, and we turn it into an A9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this cool little D form with some open strings. It looks like an A form down here, but I'm sliding it up so that my index finger is on the 6th fret, in the 6th fret, and my middle finger is in the 7th fret. Isn't that gorgeous? And we play that for 2 measures. Now we're going to go to a D minor 7. Here's the root. To a G9. Daffodils, C minor 7. How do we know it's a C minor 7? Here's a C note. That's the root. Push my index finger, I get that F9. Oh, that sounds so pretty. So let's just do the bridge, and it'll take us to the first ending of the song. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I shouted from the highest hills, even told the golden daffodils. At last my heart's an open door. There's B minor 7, E9, and my secret love's no secret anymore. See all those 2-5-1 substitutions in the key of G? Let's do that one more time. Now I shouted from the highest hills, even told the golden daffodils. At last my heart's an open door, and my secret love's no secret